Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best SSD for laptop. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. Crucial P310 1TB SSD. Color, black. Weight, 10G. Category, PCIe Gen 4 NVMe M.2 internal SSD. If you're thinking about upgrading your PC or gaming handheld, the Crucial P310 1TB SSD is definitely one worth checking out. It focuses on delivering fast, everyday performance without making the upgrade process complicated. One of the first things you'll notice is how much more responsive your system feels. Windows boots quickly, large applications launch faster, and game loading times are noticeably shorter compared to older SATA or PCIe Gen 3 drives. The PCIe Gen 4 interface gives it plenty of speed for gaming, productivity, and general multitasking. The 1 TB capacity is also a practical choice. It gives you enough room for modern games, creative software, and everyday files without feeling cramped. I also like that it's backward compatible with PCIe Gen 3 systems, so it's a flexible option if you're upgrading an older desktop or laptop. It's even compatible with several handheld gaming devices, making it a versatile storage upgrade. Build quality comes from Crucial's long experience with Micron memory, and features like thermal control are designed to help maintain stable performance during extended use. The included Acronis data recovery software is another useful bonus if you're moving data from an existing drive. On the downside, this SSD doesn't include a built-in heatsink, so depending on your motherboard or device, you may rely on the system's cooling solution. Also, maximum speeds require a PCIe Gen 4 supported system. Overall, the Crucial P310 1TB is a fast, dependable SSD that offers a great balance of speed, compatibility, and value for anyone upgrading a laptop, desktop, or supported handheld gaming device. Number 4. KingSpec 256GB NVMe SSD. Color, black. Weight, 37G. Category, PCIe Gen 3 x4 M.2 2280 internal SSD. If you're looking for an affordable way to make an older laptop or desktop feel faster, the KingSpec 256GB NVMe SSD is a solid option to consider. It's designed for users who want a noticeable performance boost without spending a lot on storage. In everyday use, this drive helps your system feel much more responsive. Booting into Windows is quicker, applications open faster, and file transfers are noticeably smoother than what you typically experience with a traditional hard drive. With PCIe Gen 3 x4 connectivity and read speeds of up to 2,400 megabytes per second, it delivers plenty of speed for web browsing, office work, media playback, and light gaming. The drive uses 3D NAND flash and supports features like trim, SMART, wear leveling, LDPC ECC, and end-to-end data protection. Those technologies work behind the scenes to improve reliability and help maintain consistent performance over time. It's also compatible with a wide range of Windows and Linux-based systems, making it a flexible upgrade for many desktops and laptops. One thing to keep in mind is the 256 GB capacity. It's enough for the operating system, everyday applications, and a handful of games or files, but users with large game libraries or video projects may need additional storage. Overall, the KingSpec 256GB NVMe SSD is a practical choice for anyone who wants a budget-friendly storage upgrade. It offers good everyday performance, broad compatibility, and useful reliability features that make it a worthwhile option for general computing. Number 3. Fikwot FN501 Pro 256GB SSD. Color, black. Weight, not officially specified. Category, PCIe Gen 3 x4 M.2 2280 NVMe internal SSD. The Fikwot FN501 Pro 256GB is one of those SSDs that aims to give your computer a noticeable speed boost without stretching your budget. If you're replacing an older drive or building an entry-level system, it's a straightforward upgrade that focuses on everyday performance. Right away, you'll appreciate faster startup times and quicker application launches. Thanks to its PCIe Gen 3 x4 interface and NVMe support, The drive can reach read speeds of up to 3000 megabytes per second, which helps reduce waiting when loading windows, opening files, or starting your favorite programs. It also uses 3D NAND TLC memory with a dynamic SLC cache to keep performance smooth during typical daily workloads. One feature that stands out is the included graphene cooling sticker. It's designed to help dissipate heat, which can contribute to more consistent performance during longer file transfers or extended use. The drive is also backward compatible with supported systems, making it a flexible option for many desktop and laptop upgrades that use an M.2 PCIe slot. The biggest limitation is its 256 GB capacity. It's enough for an operating system, productivity apps, and a few games, but users with large media collections or modern AAA game libraries will likely want a higher capacity model. It's also worth noting that this SSD is not compatible with the PS5. Overall, the Fikwot FN501 Pro 256 GB offers dependable Gen 3 performance, useful cooling features, and solid everyday responsiveness, making it a good choice for budget-conscious users looking to refresh an older PC or laptop. Number 2. 6x7400 1TB NVMe SSD. Color, not officially specified. Weight, 0.02 kilograms, 20G. Category, PCIe Gen 4x4M.2 2280 internal SSD. If you're upgrading a gaming PC, laptop, or even adding storage to a PlayStation 5, the 6x7400 1TB NVMe SSD is designed with speed as its biggest selling point. It's a PCIe Gen 4 drive that aims to reduce loading times and make everyday computing feel much more responsive. In real-world use, you'll notice quicker boot times, faster file transfers, and shorter game loading screens. With advertised read speeds of up to 7,350 megabytes per second, it's built for demanding tasks like modern gaming, content creation, and handling large files. Whether you're installing new games or moving videos between folders, the drive is designed to keep things moving smoothly. Another feature I like is that it includes a heatsink along with installation accessories such as screws and a screwdriver. That's especially helpful for PS5 owners since proper cooling is important during long gaming sessions, and having everything included makes installation a little easier. The drive is also backward compatible with supported PCIe systems, so it offers flexibility if you're upgrading an existing desktop or laptop. Plus, the 1 TB capacity provides plenty of room for games, applications, and everyday files without filling up too quickly. One thing to keep in mind is that you'll need a PCIe Gen 4 compatible system to take full advantage of its highest advertised speeds. Older systems will still work if supported, but performance may be lower. Overall, the 6x7400 1TB delivers fast Gen 4 performance, generous storage capacity, and useful installation accessories, making it a solid option for gamers and PC users looking for a high-speed storage upgrade. Number 1. fanxiang S501 128 GB NVMe SSD. Color, black, Schwarz. Weight, not officially specified. Category, PCIe Gen 3 x4M.2 2280 internal SSD. The fanxiang S501 128 GB is a compact NVMe SSD that's built for users who want to breathe new life into an older desktop or laptop without spending much. If you're still using a traditional hard drive, this upgrade can make your computer feel much faster in everyday use. After installing it, one of the biggest improvements is system responsiveness. Windows boots more quickly, applications open with less waiting, and everyday tasks like browsing, document editing, and file management feel smoother. Using a PCIe Gen 3 x4 interface, it offers read speeds of up to 1,100 megabytes per second, giving it a clear advantage over standard SATA SSDs for general computing. The drive uses 3D NAND technology, which helps improve power efficiency while maintaining stable performance. It also includes features like LDPC ECC error correction and hardware encryption support, adding an extra layer of reliability for daily workloads. Another nice touch is the included screwdriver kit, which can make installation a little more convenient if you're upgrading your system yourself. The main limitation is the 128 GB capacity. It's suitable for installing Windows, essential software, and a few frequently used applications, but it fills up quickly if you install large games or store lots of photos and videos. It's also important to note that this model is not compatible with the PlayStation 5. Overall, the fanxiang S501 128GB is a dependable entry-level NVMe SSD that delivers faster everyday performance and is a practical upgrade for older laptops and desktops that need a boost in speed.